Oh yeah!
Let's go! Oh yeah!
Everything will be all right. Hang in there, Rumi. Why are you always the one who wins when it's not me?
Just a little bit in her water bottle. Fame, that position, will be yours.
But what if? What if something happens?
Well, it was an accident. You choose. The spotlight or her shadow forever.
What's going on? Why am I here?
Shh. Don't waste your energy. Your hero is coming soon.
You bastard! What are you gonna do to him?
Rumi! I know you're in there. Open the door!
Want to save someone? You have to play by my rules. This door requires a code, and that code is part of this game.
To complete the game, find the exit and escape the maze.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, let's go!
Oh no! No.
What are you gonna do to her? Release Rumi immediately!
You're pretty good too.
Then let's see how it goes.
To complete the game, count and accurately write down the characters above.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Find the way out to complete the game. Be careful, because there are many dangers ahead, and you only have 3 lives. Good luck!
You wanna fight? Let's go! I'm gonna wipe that smirk off your face.
It's okay, I'm here.
It's so good, Jinu. You saved me.